Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news markets are speculating on a change of administration in the US. The US election result is still uncertain this morning, and the US dollar is falling at the same time speculative asset prices are sharply higher. Gold and Bitcoin have made substantial gains overnight. Equity prices are racing higher too. It may be all about an upcoming gridlock and stalemate in Congress. The number of new jobless claims for last week was 751,000 and higher than expected. The prior week's tally also was revised higher. The surge in new claimants is matching the numbers who are dropping off the rolls as their benefits expire. And China is touting its import demand over the next 10 years in a claim that it will replace the US as a centre of global trade. It is using that as a magnet for diplomatic power. And the size of their economy is drawing in huge inbound investments. In fact, a new American analysis shows that within 5 years, the majority of China's households will be middle class in a very rapid transition out of developing country status. Not having a pandemic handicap is giving it clearer current advantages. And Singapore's retail sales fell a sharp 10.8% in September from a year ago, and the month-on-month decline was sharp as well. And Australia has posted another large $5.6 billion trade surplus in September for both goods and services, boosted by a 4% rise in exports and a 6% fall in imports. Their surplus with China, however, was $4.8 billion of that for the month and $63 billion for the year to September. US Treasury 10-year yield is unchanged today at 0.79% and made its big risk move down yesterday and has held since then. And the price of gold has firmed sharply today, up by a significant 2.7% or $52 an ounce to $1,946 an ounce. It is an unusual move for the yellow metal, and silver is proportionally up as much as well. Oil prices have slipped about 50 cents a barrel and are now just on $38.50 a barrel in the US, while the international price is just over $40.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is firmer this morning from this time yesterday at 67.6 US cents, and that's a 1.5 cent rise in a week, and all down to a declining greenback. Against the Australian dollar, we're a little softer at 93 Australian cents, and against the euro, we're a little changed to 57.2 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index is now at 70.5 and near its 2020 high. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.